If you fell into Jupiter, you'd melt into a liquid before ever hitting the bottom. And here's the strange part. You might never actually touch anything we could call a surface. Jupiter is not a rocky world with an ocean, a crust, and solid ground beneath your feet. It is a colossal ball of gas and fluid, wrapped in storms larger than Earth. The moment you entered the upper atmosphere, the view would be breathtaking and terrifying. Beneath you, bands of white, orange, and brown clouds would stretch to every horizon. Lightning would flash through storms thousands of kilometers wide, but you would be falling fast, pulled downward by Jupiter's enormous gravity. At first, the air would feel thin. Then the atmosphere would thicken around you. The clouds would become darker and denser, and the wind would begin throwing you sideways. Jupiter's jet streams can race at hundreds of kilometers per hour, so you would not fall in a straight line. You would tumble through a violent maze of ammonia ice, water vapor, and supercharged storms. As you descended, the temperature would climb. Sunlight would disappear behind layer after layer of cloud. But the darkness would not make Jupiter colder. Deep inside the planet, pressure squeezes the gas so tightly. It behaves less like ordinary air and more like a strange, superheated fluid. At this point, heat becomes impossible to ignore. Temperatures would rise to thousands of degrees deeper down. Your suit would fail. Your equipment would buckle. Any water in your body would begin to boil. The real danger is pressure. Imagine the weight of a mountain pressing on your body. Imagine that pressure increasing until it is like 1,000 elephants standing on every square inch of you at once. There would be no dramatic impact. Your body would simply be compressed from every direction. Bones, skin, and organs would be crushed and heated until the chemistry of your body no longer mattered. You would become part of the storm, a tiny cloud of organic material dissolved into Jupiter's layers. Deeper down, hydrogen is squeezed into an exotic state called metallic hydrogen. It is a strange form of hydrogen that can conduct electricity, helping generate Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. Scientists think Jupiter may have a dense, blurry core, a mixture of heavy elements dissolved into the fluid. There is only increasing pressure, heat, and material changing into forms we cannot experience on Earth. Your remains might drift through powerful currents for millions of years, carried beneath storms that could outlive civilizations. Jupiter would not swallow you like a pit. It would slowly turn you into part of the world you were falling through.